Once upon a time, there was a bluebird who was born in a nest on a big tree. He grew up fast, and one day his mama asked him, "Why don't you learn to fly and fly up as your brother and sister have?" The little bluebird said, "I really want to fly, but I am scared." At night, the little bluebirds wondered what was beyond his nest, beyond the big tree. He would ask his mother, "Mama, Mama, what is out there?" His mother would reply, "Nothing, now go to sleep and don't bother me." However, he could not believe that there was nothing beyond the big tree and knew that he must investigate. But first, he needed to learn fly. The next morning, the little bluebird was gone. Everyone wondered where he was. The bluebird thought to himself, "Nothing? Where is this nothing? What is this nothing? I must find out what nothing is. It is high. Is it low? Is it green? Or does it glow?" He needed answers to his question, and since there was no one he could ask, he decided to find the answer on his own. Soon, he flew across a pool of blue water. He had never seen anything like it, but was not sure if this was the nothing he was looking for. Someone asked him, "What is it that you are looking for?" The bluebird replied, "Nothing." Then someone said, "Okay, then come with me." So the bluebird joined with that bird. Suddenly a flock of colorful birds flew by. They asked, "What is it that you are looking for?" The green bird said, "Nothing." Then colorful bird said, "Okay, then come with us." The green bird flapped his wings and joined the flock. At once, the bluebirds too did the same and forgot about his fear of flying. "How wonderful it is to fly!" exclaimed the bluebird. Soon it was time for him to go back home. When Bluebird go back home, his mama, brother and sister were worried about, also curious to know what the little bird was up to. His mother asks, "How did you manage to fly so well?" Bird's nothing reply, and he fluttered his wings and said, "Come with me." They flew high, they flew low, they flew everywhere.